Hello, very good evening to you. If you thought last night was a bit chilly, well, again, it's going to be quite chilly through this coming night. It's all because high pressure is across the UK, and whilst it is shifting a little bit further eastwards through the next few days, it's going to continue to dominate our weather, which is why we're going to stay so settled, so calm. We're going to have a lot of dry weather around and mostly light winds as well. Yes, there are a few showers here or there, and away from the centre of the high, we will see some stronger winds, and the position of the high will also dictate where those winds are coming from, which then plays a part in exactly where it will be warm and where we'll see the cloud developing. But on the whole, lots of dry weather to come. Now, as I said, it is going to be, again, another chilly night for many of us. That's because the high pressure is going to lead to largely clear skies overnight and also pretty light winds. There will be some showers towards the far northeast of Scotland, Orkney and Shetland mainly, and also a few fringing into the far southeast of England and maybe one or two elsewhere, northwest Wales, for example. But on the whole, dry and clear. And so we're going to see those temperatures dropping yet again. It may not be quite as chilly as last night in a few places, but nonetheless, towns and cities, mid-single figures for most places, and rural spots a few degrees lower than this. So some places will see temperatures dipping a bit below freezing, particularly over the sheltered glens of Scotland, but even towards southwest England, we could get a touch of frost first thing tomorrow morning. Also, a few pockets of mist and fog here and there, but these will be quite quick to clear because there will be a lot of sunshine through the morning. That being said, there will be some showery bursts still across parts of eastern, southeastern England. These could pep up a bit as we go into the afternoon. More cloud here, and then that cloud is going to become more widespread as well as we go through the day. So even though it's a sunny morning for many places, it will be markedly cloudier by the afternoon, although still some bright or sunny spells in between that cloud. With that then, because there is going to be more cloud around, even though temperatures on paper are similar to Monday really, if anything, it might feel just that little bit fresher because there's just a bit less sunshine on offer for most of us, and feeling markedly fresher perhaps in the southeast where we have those blustery winds and the risk of those showers. Those showers actually continue for quite a while as we go through the evening and the start of the night. Could still be a little bit heavy at times, but then they will eventually start to fizzle out as we go through the early hours of Wednesday. Otherwise, it's looking like another largely dry night, lots of clear sky on offer yet again. So once more, we are going to see temperatures taking a bit of a drop, particularly across parts of Scotland. That's where they're likely to be lowest, could get to lows of around -1, -2 Celsius here. Elsewhere, again, towns and cities generally falling into the mid-single figures. So another bright, yes, but fresh, chilly start to the day on Wednesday. Then another largely fine day really. Still one or two showers dotted around here and there, but most places staying dry. Most places seeing some decent sunshine, albeit with just a little bit more cloud bubbling up, developing as we go through the afternoon. Once more, temperatures are on the, well, they're around average, ever so slightly below in a few places. Where you get the sunshine, that will counter that. Where you're stuck under the cloud, then it is going to feel that little bit fresher. Notice there is a front towards the west of the UK. That's staying to the west for now because the high pressure is still dominating. But as that high pressure continues to shift away towards the east after another largely fine day on Thursday, and again through much of Friday, that front will eventually start to push its way in. So by the weekend, things are set to turn a bit more unsettled. But Honor has more information about all of that in our week ahead forecast, which you can find on both YouTube and also Spotify. See you later.